Hello everyone, if you want to send an email in Gmail but make it appear as if it was sent earlier, here's a step-by-step method you can use safely. Alright, and to begin, you need to open up Gmail, don't forget to log in into your account, and then click on Compose. And then just write your email as usual, enter the recipient, subject, and message content. So I'll do that, for example, my own, test subject, and test text. And instead of sending immediately, click on the X to close the Compose window. Gmail automatically saves it to drafts. Backdating works by modifying timestamps in drafts. So Gmail itself doesn't allow manual backdating. To simulate a past sent date, you'll need to export the draft using tools like Google Takeout or Gmail API client, and then modify the internal date property of the message to the desired timestamp. And after adjusting that, you can re-import the email to Gmail using an email client that supports Gmail API. When sent this way, the email appears with your chosen past date in Gmail's sent folder. And also make sure to keep in mind that the recipient may still see the actual delivery time depending on their Gmail client. So this is how you send a backdated email in Gmail using drafts and also API tools. If you like my videos, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. That helps a lot, and thanks for watching.